Hello everyone, so we are here in Tagbilaran City. We are buying some of tiles for our columns. So this is the one that we able to get it matched in our tiles inside the house. It's the 30 by 60. We're gonna get around 80 pieces. They say they have a lot in case it's not enough, we're gonna get more. Put na po niya siya sa kuan. And we are going to get 4 bags of tile adhesive. Daghan na sila niyo 4 bags plus. Kailangan ko brown type. We're gonna look more for the garage in case we're gonna have enough savings for another budget for the tiling in the garage. We're gonna find some. Oh, by the way, this is the place where we get the tiles for our house. When we build our house before. So nice. That's a blue. Blue lang. I need brown. Ang kanin siya, miss, pila? 155. Kaya mong higala ba? Nangitag nga nga color. Gray man ilaha. Mo brown man to.
Naki
100?
100.
Ay, check. Ako tong pangayon tong usa. Kay Marag. 100! 100. A lot of nice styles here. This brown one here, 155. This is 60 by 60, you know.
Yeah, they're all 60 by 60.
Nice color also, this one.
That's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it when it doesn't show dirt.
Yeah.
The color, look, nice.
They've got it in a tan too.
Ah.
Looks like it's sold down to one little pile.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
no.
215 each.
Where?
That would have been cool for the countertop.
Oh yeah, that one, nice. Yeah, this part here, it match if the tiling for the floor is gray, but our tiling for the floor is like brown side. Yeah, here it is. Look. For this one, it's 2,500. How long? 75 by 150.
We're going to have a big area for that.
Good for an aisle. Like an
We could
island.
have done this with all 3 rooms together like we have.
Yeah, nice no? This one ba? Maybe someday again. Another building. Good for bedroom. Yeah, I like this one. Nice, oh. I like this one. Much nicer. Bago nila. This is their new style. New pattern. much? 220. That one. Wow. So 165 for plain. Yeah, this one. How much this one? 215. We have quite a lot of selection here for tiling. For tiles. Funny. Ha? Talibon pa mi? Wow. Nice one, huh? They have also toiletries there. You can buy. I like it. Let's just walk around. Oh. And that one is 85 pesos. The 30 by 60. Wow. That's have interesting design also here. I really like this kind of design. But the color is gray. The 60 by 60. That cost you around 220. Like a granite tile. Marble. Like a marble tile. Look at that. Nice, this one for backsplash. The 30 by 30, it's 40 pesos. Look at that. We are home now, and these are the tiles that we buy today for our columns. The size of this one is 30 by 60. I like the design because it looks like stone design, and also it match the inside tiles of our house. So we only buy around 80 pieces of this, but they said they have a lot of tiles like this if we need more. And this one costs around 80 pesos, a bit cheaper from Ubay. And then in here we already pull out the cement adhesive, I guess. Yeah, we only buy around 4 bags, and this one costs around 300, but in here some of the hardware store they sell this for 360 so far. So after the Louis. So after the railings, we gonna do the tiling of the columns on our house. So far, look at this, quite so hot. Still no rain here. We keep on waiting for rain, but nothing yet. We are really worried about our plant because some of them, they are really flowering now. So far. Louis, what you doing? Hello, buddy. Here is our smiley dog, Louis. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hello. He got babat or shower. So, I guess that is for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.